George, did you get it? George yanking on.
Yeah, knows Manny on the Maloof Diamond right there. Sasha Daly tearing it up. Kevin Roy.
Oh, yeah. Stairs. Switch. Cody David. Andrew Lange. I think Louis got it this try.
Wow, Felipe into the bank right there. Felipe, perfect years. He's clearing the 3 steps into the bank.
Wow.
Anything regular. There it is. Louis Lopez, backside lip slide into Manny on the Maloof Diamond right there.
Jeffrey Marshall with the backside lip slide down the big rail. There you go. There it is. Good. Your feet. You got the next stride. Back nose blow. Easy. What do you got, Jeff?
I'm going.
There's a ball slide to Fakey, Louis Lopez.
Doing it for vitamin water.
Hot out here. Front blunt to try, but we're going to have to call it time. After the front side flip, Walker. And Trey Walker, that is how you end the jam right there.
Yeah, man.
I really want to see the back lip shove it out and the back.
Wow, Walker, that's right, that's why we saved this for the last handrail.
Strong Island.
Yeah, Trevor Coleman, frontside feeble grind. These guys are annihilating this rail right now.
There's that lip slide.
Trevor